Today, the focus is on the Dogo Argentino. It is a moment of overcoming limits aimed at sharing relevant information about this breed. It is important to subscribe to the channel so as not to miss any new videos. We will provide content about breeds, health tips, and behaviors exclusively for your pets. The discussion about the Dogo Argentino, a large and powerful breed, will be enriched with the history and perspective of the breeders. It is remarkable how the breed is considered one of the most respected hunting dogs. It is always a bit tense when dealing with Mastiff dogs, isn't it? Large and powerful dogs. The history of the Dogo is incredible, and it is said that, after all, the Dogo Argentino is the most esteemed hunting dog. Puppies are a beautiful representation of the breed. At just 1 year old, it already shows itself to be a large specimen with the potential to weigh around 45 kilograms. Males of the breed tend to be even larger, weighing between 50 and 60 kilograms. A striking characteristic of all Dogos is their white coloration, as there are no color variants. The history of the Dogo Argentino is remarkable, being, as far as is known, the only purely Argentine breed. Although it is a young breed, its history is interesting. From the beginning, there was a well-defined concept of what was sought, followed by careful selection and enhancement of characteristics, focusing primarily on its function as a hunting dog. The white coloration of the Dogo Argentino plays an important role in visibility, allowing hunters to identify the animal from a distance, avoiding confusion and potentially harming it. From the beginning, this characteristic was sought after. The breed selection began with the Perro de Pelea Cordobés, an Argentine dog used in fights between 1900 and 1910. At this time, this dog stood out for its bravery and strength. The foundation of the Dogo Argentino was composed of this Perro de Pelea Cordobés, combined with several other breeds to create a more functional dog. The Perro de Pelea Cordobés was known for its aggressiveness, which led to its extinction, as males and females could not coexist in a pack. Antonio Norris Martinez, along with his brother Augusto, was one of the creators of the breed. Antonio developed and refined crosses until reaching the desired standard. Unfortunately, his life was cut short prematurely at just over 50 years old. Augusto, in turn, was responsible for promoting the breed worldwide, playing a key role in its creation. The base of the Perro de Pelea Cordobés included the pursuit of white-colored dogs, resulting in the first specimens of the breed. Additionally, the inclusion of the pointer in the genetic makeup of the Dogo Argentino is significant, as it gives it an extremely keen sense of smell. After 25 years of work, Antonio Norris, as a doctor, knew how to manipulate genetics effectively. The pointer, essential for ensuring a good sense of smell, was added to the Dogo, which was developed for hunting boars and pumas. The puma, being an extremely cunning animal, has skills to evade dogs that follow its trail. The introduction of the pointer was crucial in helping locate the puma, an essential characteristic for effective hunting. The origin of the Dogo Argentino is often discussed, and this breed is recognized for its striking presence and personality. Today, many who seek a Dogo do so not only for aesthetics, but also for the protection the dog can offer to the home. The expectation is that adult dogs can be presented for observation. Although it is a balanced dog, there is a fine line between courage and recklessness. There is interest in bringing a Dogo that is being trained for guarding, being kept on a leash to ensure control. A 1-year-old male, although he has already reached adult height, he is expected to continue gaining body and weight, undergoing significant changes until 2 or 3 years of age, which represents the peak of the breed's development. This dog is known for its determination, courage, and resistance to pain, traits that are inherent to the breed. The demand for Dogo Argentino has been centered on the search for dogs that provide guarding and protection for the family, along with their remarkable love and loyalty to their family members. In developing the breed, breeds such as the Boxer, known for its gentleness, were incorporated to balance the temperament of the Dogo Argentino and ensure they are affectionate. The breed standard stipulates that dogs should not be aggressive toward people. Naturally, within a litter, puppies may display varied temperaments, but the expectation is that there will be no aggression. With family members, especially children, Dogos are extremely affectionate. However, due to their size, it is important to consider that they may not fully grasp their strength. Therefore, extra care should be taken when interacting with children, as an accidental step from a dog of this stature can cause discomfort. However, they tend to be gentle with children in the family. It is essential that the Dogo Argentino, being a dominant breed, is under control. Putting it in interaction with other dogs requires attention and proper socialization during its youth. The Dogo tends to maintain a dominant position. The choice of the Dogo Argentino is interesting, especially at Euro del Fantasma, a reference in breeding the breed, where selection is lower compared to large breeders in the United States, who often have few females. Each breed has distinct peculiarities. For example, compared to other breeds, like the Fila, it is common to hear that they are extremely trustworthy, acting unpredictably when necessary. In the case of the Dogo, the expectation is different. As this breed has a very specific function, the tendency is not to bark excessively. In the hunts carried out in Argentina, the dogs were used in open fields, which required agility and silence. 4 fundamental characteristics define the personality, temperament, and function of the Dogo Argentino: the absence of barking, a keen sense of smell, agility, and courage. The lifespan of a Dogo is 10 to 12 years, provided they maintain good health. When observing a Dogo, it is important to identify characteristics that confirm the breed. It is essential to know the type of Dogo and ensure that it does not resemble other breeds. Coloration is also an important factor. The Dogo should be white, possibly with a small dark spot. Thank you for watching our video about the Dogo Argentino. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more amazing videos about dog breeds, health tips, and pet behavior. Stay tuned to learn more and share your experiences with this wonderful breed. And if you have any video suggestions or want to see something different from the Dogo Argentino, leave it in the comments. We are always open to new ideas and topics you'd like to explore. Until next time, and remember, your pet deserves all the love and knowledge we can provide.